In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with friends on phone and PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how easy it is to set up a multiplayer session in Minecraft if you are playing on a phone, so Android or iOS, and PC. Keep in mind that if you have friends on different platforms, such as a console, this will also work. So the most important thing is that all of you connect a Microsoft account to your profile. So go over into the settings, choose the account options here, or from the home screen, if you are not signed into a Microsoft account, you will see the sign in button here. So it is important to sign into a Microsoft account because it is going to be the bridge between you and your friends. So once you are signed into a Microsoft account, you will get a custom gamer tag. Now you can go ahead and tap the play option and then select friends at the top right. In here, add your friends who are going to be playing together, so you can search for them by using their gamer tag. So look for your friend here using the search function, their gamer tag will appear at the left, and once you find them, tap on their profile, double check if it is them, and then select the add friend option. Once you have added each other, you can now go ahead and host a world. So whoever wants to host will need to stay inside of the game. So in this example here, I'm going to host on my phone. So I just go ahead and I join the world and wait for it to load. Then once the host loads in, he will be able to send out invites to everyone who is going to be playing. It doesn't matter if you are doing this on a creative world, survival world, all of them, you will be able to do multiplayer. So now once you are inside, pause the game at any point, go over to invite to game, and you will see your friends here. Just highlight the friend that you want to invite, send out the invite, and they will be able to join. So on their platform, they will get a notification that they can accept. So I'm going to try to go ahead and join on my PC to show you how this looks. And as you can see, I joined in on my PC account. So now we are able to play multiplayer in this Minecraft world between PC and mobile. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. Before I end, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, according to the channel's metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.